Hey guys, Christian from Imperial Workshop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the Rebel and Dissident combo. Let's get into it.
Okay, so we're going to start with the Rebel hilt, and then we'll move to the Dissident hilt. So first thing we're going to want to do for the Rebel hilt is unscrew the button. We're then going to take the pommel off. And once we get the pommel off, we're going to move to the cover tech wheel and unscrew this. And optional, if you want to take off this one piece right here, you can, but you don't need to remove the core out of the hilt. So instead of pushing from the bottom, I would recommend pushing from the top, just so you don't damage the speaker. So just go ahead and give it a good push, and then you can pull it out. Okay, so now we're going to put it back together. Try to pre-line up the core with the buttonhole. It just makes it a little bit easier when you don't have to wiggle the core around once it's in the hilt, because it is kind of a tight fit. So once you get it all lined up, we're going to go ahead and grab this piece right here and screw it back in. We're then going to grab the cover tech wheel and screw that back in. Once the cover tech wheel is fully tightened, we're going to grab the pommel and screw that one in. And last but not least, we're going to go ahead and grab the button and screw that in. To take the Dissident hilt apart, we're going to start by unscrewing the pommel. Now that we got the pommel off, we're going to move to the back of the hilt and take both of these screws out. From here, go ahead and push in on the button, and you should be able to slide your core right out. To put the Dissident hilt back together, we're going to go ahead and slide the core in. Make sure that your charge port and button are aligned with both of the holes on the hilt. We're then going to move to the back of the hilt and screw both of those screws back in. Please note that the smaller one goes on the bottom and the longer one goes on the top. When tightening in this top screw, you don't want to over tighten it, as it could damage the button or charge port, so just go ahead and tighten it until they are both sitting securely in the hilt. Once that is done, we're going to go ahead and grab the pommel and screw that on.
Thanks for watching this video. If you need any further assistance or run into any complications, please reach out to the email linked in the video's description. See you in the next one.